He is the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. Like, he is that truth. But we consumed in our own little variants of our lives that we want to celebrate them as the truth. But we lie into ourselves. And that's just what it is. Like, even if it's not us lying to us, we're believing the lie that comes in, so we still lying to ourselves. Like, we can't put this off on no one else. We choose to believe what we believe. And that's what we're going to be held accountable for. How we choose to live, to view reality, to walk, to do with the Son of God is how we're going to be judged on this. It is what it is. We choose. It's on us. We have that God-given right. We have free will. We can choose or not choose to believe what is truth. And all I'm trying to do is set the precedence here of what really is. And I'm telling you, the way we Netflix in this life, especially in this generation, you can see and look out. It's so blatant in front of us. And we're so quick to change. You know what I'm saying? Like, with every passing wind, it seems the truth changes because we catch a new glimpse or a new show or a new season. The latest episode, the best information, the newest science. And we just grab a hold of it like it's the real deal. But all we are is those children in the back seat watching a screen that isn't real. And life is passing us by. And Jesus says, don't do that. Like, what is truth? Don't retort it. Ask it. Like, truly ask it, because in the answer is your life. He says, I'm truth. What you choosing to believe right now, it ain't truth. It's killing you. It's a lie. But I've come to set you free and to speak into you real life.